Next. When a technician goes on the field, he will capture all the data. The dots are the manholes and the line are the pipes. Next one. He can upload video, pictures, images, illustration, everything direct from the field. The office can view it immediately. Next. We also have a complaint management system. Whenever a complaint is received, it will be recorded and data will be pushed to a technician saying that there is a complaint has been received at this place, this is the direction to go, this is what been recorded, and this is the appointed time, and so on. The technician arrives to the place, record the history, and come back to the office. Next. These are the reports, some of the reports of the criticality of the system. Next. This is the mobile device that the system runs on. You can see the map, almost all the information on the mobile itself, and it also can communicate to head office with this mobile. With that, I would like to run another video, if you don't mind. What we try to achieve here is, we try to reduce the workload. We have combined expert system and fuzzy logic inside the system. We have integrated the developer, the asset owner, and the contractor together into one system. So when the asset is been laid, the asset information is captured immediately. So the asset owner does not need to do that work. He can take that workforce and assign it somewhere else. And also, whenever a contractor or the operator itself does any work, the system captured is inside the system. All the information is stored in a centralized database, and is, whenever a critical things happen, information are pushed to the decision makers to make the right decision. With that, I would like to say a good asset management decision support system should not rely on information asking. Rather, it should make the decision and push the summary to the decision maker at the right time to produce a right decision. Thank you.
What device does the person on site use to capture the video?
Okay.
And then how does this video get transmitted back to HQ real time?
Okay. We have You talking one question only, right? Two questions or one question?
It's a related question. First is what's the device you use, and
Okay.
is that device used to transmit back to HQ?
Okay.
And how under what infrastructure do you use to transmit that
Okay.
data?
Okay. We have our own device. It's called iSewer mobile device, which has camera in it. Okay. For different for different industry, we have a different device that has a built-in camera that comes with a good information system in it, and then it transmits the data real time using our internet line. If you do not have internet line, it is recorded locally inside the system, and then whenever you have an internet line nearby, you can upload it, or you can go to office to synchronize it. Do I answer your question, sir?
Good. Any other questions?
Please.
Last
Yes,
question.
sir.
Okay, just now you mentioned that the asset owner doesn't need to capture the data.
Yes.
Right? Can you elaborate a little bit, because I lost you there.
Okay. I give you. There is a lot of industry. Let's say I give you a sewerage or water industry. Basically, developing contract are given to a developer. Okay. What is presently happening is the developer build the pipe and all that, and this information is captured with them, with the developer, and then whenever they are surrendering the property to asset owners or operators, they give hard copy. This asset has been built for 10 years or 5 years, during the road, and they might lose the information. What we have done is, the moment you lay the pipe, the developer itself will key in the information into the system. So your asset will have a birth certificate. So by having a birth certificate with you, whenever the asset is transferred within an operator or asset owner, that is easy. You do not lose the information, because to do a data collection back on all the asset will require a lot of money, and this money can be used for enhance the operation maintenance side. Do I answer your question, sir? Any other question?